So good morning students, good morning to all. So we will start with a 15 marks problem. Actually this the problem which we will be solving in this today's class now, that is a 15 marks problem. Okay, 15 marks problem. So be careful.
A 0 date
2012. Okay. So I hope so everyone have put that format ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿರಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ, and also everyone is having that problem which I have sent in the group. Yes or no? ಎಲ್ಲರ ಹತ್ರ problem ಅದ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, how many are copied and how many are not copied, I don't know that one, because you people will indirectly cheat us. Okay, so from the following, the problem is that from the following trial balance for former prepare trading and P&L account, trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2012, and also the balance sheet. Means we have to prepare trading account, P&L account and the balance sheet of the for the year of 31st March 2012. Okay. So they have given the trial balance which is prepared by the the trial balance of a farmer. Yes or no? Following is a trial balance of a farmer prepare, like a farmer's trial balance kotari. From the trial balance information, we have to prepare the trading account, P&L account and the balance sheet. Yes or no? They have provided the information of a trial balance. From the trial balance we have to prepare trading, P&L and the balance sheet. Okay, so on the debit side they have given some information, that is opening stocks. Yes or no? Opening stock of cattle feed, paddy, fertilizers. Okay, still that is an opening stock. Next, purchases information they have given. Okay, so cattle feed, seeds, fertilizer. Okay, opening stock first information, then the purchases information, then crop expenses. Yes or no? Labor, other direct charges. Next, cattle expenses, medicines, labor, direct dairy expenses, general expenses, land, tractor, cash. Yes or no? On the credit side, sales information they have given. Credit side you see dairy products, paddy, cattle, creditors, loan from bank at 8% interest, and the capital. Means whatever they have given information, no, we have to segregate. Means which item will come on the which side. Trading account ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಐಟಮ್ ಬರ್ತಾವು, ಆಮೇಲೆ P&L ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ, ಯಾವ ಐಟಮ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ, ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಐಟಮ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಈಗ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟರ್ಸ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ನಾನು ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಕ್ ಆಗ್ತದ್ರಿ? ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ? ಅದು ದಟ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಸೈಡ್. ಎಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಲೋನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ? ಅದನ್ನು ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ, ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರ್ತದ. ಈಗ ಡೆಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್, ಎಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಡೆಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ? ಅದು ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದ, P&L ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದ? P&L account al bartade. Okay, so whatever the trial balance information they have given, no, from the trial balance informations we have to prepare trading, P&L and the balance sheet. We have to identify which item will come on the which side. Trading account ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಐಟಮ್ ಬರ್ತದ, ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಐಟಮ್ ಬರ್ತದ, P&L ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಐಟಮ್ ಬರ್ತದ. ಈಗ ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್, ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್, ಸೇಲ್ಸ್. Yes or no? All the direct expenses. Direct expenses are those expenses which is directly related to that product. Okay, direct expenses ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಆಗಿರ್ತದ goods manufacture ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ. Okay, that expenses is directly connected with a man or a producing of that product. Okay, indirect expenses will come in the P&L account, and balance sheet alone all the like assets, liabilities. Yes or no? Outstanding expenses, outstanding income, ellanu balance sheet ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. So we have to make out which item will come in the which side. As a commerce students ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ತದೆ ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, P&L ಹೆಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. Yes or no? These things you have learned for 2 years. 2 ವರ್ಷ ಕಲಿತೆ ಬಂದಿರ್ತೀರಿ. So just you have to make out the items which item will come in the which side. Okay, so we will see what are the additional information they have given. Additional information ಏನೇನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ನೋಡಿ. Just see the adjustment. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೇಳತ್ತೀರಿ ಇಲ್ರಿ ನಾ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳತ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. adjustments nodri closing stock kottare. So closing stock, as keep in a mind adjustment items will come appears two side. Yes or no? ಎರಡು ಸಲ appear ಆಗ್ತದ್ರಿ. Adjustment items will appear twice. Okay, here they given the closing stock, cattle, paddy, cattle feed and the fertilizer. This item will come, these items will appear two times. ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ನ ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ, ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Yes or no? Trading account credit side bರ್ತದೆ. Next, the proprietor has consumed the following items out of his farm output. Yes or no? Proprietor has consumed some items. Okay, that is dairy products and the paddy. Okay, ಈಗ proprietor ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? If the proprietor has been used some product which has been manufactured, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? What word we will give for that one? ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? If proprietor
Drawings.
Drawings ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So drawings like so it has been given in the adjustment. Adjustment ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ್ರಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಎರಡು ಸಲ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ ನಾನು? They have given in the adjustment. Yes or no? So as you people said that proprietor has consumed some items, that is a paddy and the dairy products. Okay, dairy product ಮತ್ತೆ paddy ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಭತ್ತ. Okay, so ಆ ಬೆಳೆದಿದ್ದ ಅವನು ಬೆಳೆದಿದ್ದ ಅವನೇ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತನ್ನ ಮನಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ. He have used for his house. Okay, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಎಸ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಎರಡು ಸಲ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಎರಡು ಸಲ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನಾನು ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್? ವೇರ್ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್?
ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಒಳಗ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ನಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು?
Liability side.
Liability side. Be louder, no. As you are telling, no, it is correct only. Once I have to take in the trading account on the credit side ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತು balance sheet ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Yes or no? So balance sheet ಅಲ್ಲಿ capital ನ minus ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Yes or no? Be louder. As you are telling, it is correct. And the next item is provide depreciation at 10% and the tractor. Means here we have to provide the depreciation. So depreciation ಒಂದು P&L ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ, ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಡಿಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್. ಅಸೆಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಏನ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ ಅಸೆಟ್. ಎಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ ಅಸೆಟ್. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಡಿಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಲೋನ್ ಇಸ್ ಔಟ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ 1 year. Outstanding interest. Yes or no? It is an expenses. So ಅದನ್ನ P&L ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಟು ಎವ್ರಿವನ್? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತ್ರಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಐಟಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಅನ್ ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಐಟಮ್ ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? ಫ್ರಮ್ ವಿಚ್ ಐಟಮ್ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್? ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರ್ತದ? ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಏನಂತ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ನಾನು? ಫ್ರಮ್ ವಿಚ್ ಐಟಮ್ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಅನ್ ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್? ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಟು ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್. Opening stock. So write the one by one items. The first one is cattle. First, what you know, take in the inner column. Inner column al tagondu outer column alli add ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. Is it fine? First we will take all the opening stock in the inner column, then we will add and we will show in the outer column. Okay, cattle it is 60,000. Next is cattle feed 4,000. Next paddy 30,000. Next fertilizers ಎಷ್ಟು? 8,600. Total will be 1,600. Yes or no? 1,02,600. Okay, got it? First item on the debit side is of trading account, always it will be opening stock. Next ಏನ್ ಐಟಮ್ next ಏನ್ item ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ? What is the next item? Purchases. Okay. So purchases. Take purchases. Also purchases means ಹಿಂಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Purchases. So purchases ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ? Cattle feed, cattle feed and the seeds, fertilizers. Tell me one by one amount. Cattle waste avail 12,000. 12,000 next. 6,400. 1,300. 4,400. Total will be 22,100. Okay. Is it visible to everyone? Kansatadri? Is it visible to everyone? Opening stock and the purchases. Next ಏನ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ? Next, we have to take first item on the trading account is the opening stock. Next on the purchases. ಇವೆರಡು item ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ ನಾನು? What is the next item in the trading account? All the direct expenses. Yes sir, all the direct expenses. Trade debit side ಕೇಳಾತೀನಿ. All the direct expenses. So crop expenses. Take crop expenses ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು crop expenses ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನ್ ಬಂದವ್ರಿ? labor and other direct charges. Yes sir, crop expense ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂದ್ರಿ? labor and the other direct charges. Okay. Labor, other direct charges. Labor ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 7,800. Direct charges 800. So total will be 8,600. Next, cattle expenses. Yes sir. To cattle expenses. ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ cattle expenses? Medicine ಅಂತದ ಮತ್ತು medicines 1,800. Next, labor. Next, general expenses. Labor. Next, direct expenses. Labor ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 2,200. Direct expenses 6,000. So total will be 10,000. Answer that it is visible. First opening stock ತಗೊಂಡಿರಲ್ರಿ? After taking opening stock, you have to take the purchases, then you take the crop expenses and cattle expenses. Crop expenses and cattle expenses. Okay. Okay. So cattle expenses I think. Is general expenses will come in the trading account? General expenses trading account al bardadri? Students, general expenses will come in the trading account?
Ilri ma'am, P&L account.
General expenses P&L al bardadri. Okay. Next, land el bardadri. Where this land will come? Where this land item
balance it. Balance it.
On which side? ಯಾವ side?
Asset side.
Asset
Credit side ma'am.
Very good. Next, tractor
ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಸೈಡ್ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಏನ್ರಿ ಅದು?
Balance sheet asset side, ma'am.
Asset side, ma'am.
Very good. Next, cash. Cash ಏನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕ್ರಿ?
Balance sheet, ma'am, asset side.
Very good. Balance sheet, asset side. So the remaining general expenses, land, tractor, and cash are the not applicable in this trading account. These are the items will not come in the trading account. Clear as it? Is everyone have taken still here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shall I lift my lappy? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Okay. The next item is on the credit side. Okay. So credit side ಏನೇನ್ ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ? What is the first item on the credit side? Buy.
Sale.
Okay. Buy. Sales. Sales ನಾಗ ಏನೇನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಿ ಅವರು? Dairy products. Dairy products ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದ? 36,000. Next. Paddy. 65,000. Next. Cattle. 15,000. Okay. The total will be 1,16,000. Okay. The next is creditors. If I should take creditors here, creditors ತಗೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು? I should take creditors here?
No, ma'am.
Huh? Whether I should take creditors in the trading account or not?
No, ma'am, no.
No? Be louder. Response everyone no? ಎಲ್ಲರೂ response ಮಾಡ್ರಿ.
No, ma'am.
No. So where that item will come? Then where the creditors will come? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ creditors?
Balance sheet, ma'am.
Balance sheet on which side?
Liability side, ma'am.
Very good. Okay. Loan from bank at 8% interest. ಈ item ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ?
Balance sheet, ma'am, liability side.
8%
Ba-
interest.
Balance sheet, ma'am.
Balance sheet liability side, ma'am.
Liability side. Okay. Next, last capital.
Balance sheet, ma'am. Liability side.
Okay. So the remaining items will not come in the trading account. Okay. So then what is the last item in the trading account?
Closing stock.
Very good. Closing stock. Buy. Closing stock.
Ma'am, drawings, ma'am.
Here.
Drawings. Drawings.
Okay. Sorry. Drawings. So before taking the closing stock, you have to take the drawings. Okay. By drawings anta baridu. By drawings. In bracket you take proprietor, consumer. Whatever the things you have consumed, ಏನೇನ್ ತಿಂದಾನ್ರಿ ಅವ? Dairy products and the what is the dairy product amount? 4,000. Paddy? 2,000. So the total will be 6,000. So later you take the closing stock. Now you take closing stock. So closing stock items ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವ್ರಿ ನಿಮಗ? Where you will find out the closing stock? Closing stock will be in the balance, adjustment. Next will be cattle. It is 66,000. Next is paddy. 4,600. Cattle feed is 1,600. Fertilizer. ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದರಿ? 600. 72,800. Is it clear? Clear, Gayatri? So with this item, we completed with a trading account, but you have to do the balancing. Count ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Which side you have more? Which side you have more? ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡಿರಲ್ರಿ? You people have taken all these items, crop and the cattle expenses ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡಿರಿ? Is it clear to everyone? Trading account? Just count and tell me now. 1,94,800. Yes or no? 1,94,800. Which side? Credit side. Yes or no? If credit side is more, so what we used to call that one? Huh? Gross profit. Yes or no? Credit side ನಮಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವ್ರಿ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು gross profit. Yes or no? Everyone got? Okay. Gross profit will be 51,500. Is everyone got that one? 51,500. Very good, Akshata. Okay. So shall I count and do it that one? So malin erase ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Shall I erase this now? ಈಗ erase ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ. You want for your reference? Reference ಬೇಕೇನ್ರಿ? ಇಲ್ಲ erase ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ರು P&L ಇದ್ರಾಗೆ continuation ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Shall I erase, students? Everyone? I'm asking everyone. Shall I erase this one? Okay. $25 ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ಇದು $22 ಅಲ್ಲ. ಏನಾರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಉಂಟು. Right, gross profit. Okay, so total ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗ? Total of trading account 1,94,800. Okay, you have on the credit side more. So ಇದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀರಿ? To gross profit transfer to general P&L account. Okay. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದ್ರಿ? 51,500. Okay, so this balance you will bring forward by balance brought down. Okay, sorry, by gross profit brought down. ಇದು gross profit ಇರ್ತದೆ. Gross profit brought down how much? 51,500. Okay. Next, you prepare the P&L account. So P&L account, debit side, which item will come? Debit side, any item ಬರ್ತಾವ ಜಲ್ದಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಫಟ.
Depreciation.
First trial balance ಆಗಿರೋ items ನೋಡಿ. Tell me the items which like what are the items? P&L
General expenses.
General expenses, ma'am.
General expenses. What is the amount? What is the amount, guys? What is the amount?
1,600.
Okay, next. Next ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದ? Land, tractor, cash ಬರಲ್ಲ. Okay. Next,
Outstanding interest on loan, ma'am.
What?
Outstanding interest on loan.
Okay, outstanding interest on loan. Okay, so before that they have given the provide depreciation 10% on tractor. Yes or no? That items also will come here only. Okay, depreciation How much is the tractor value? Where you will find out that item? ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಯೋದು
46,000 ma'am.
ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರ್ರಿ on the debit side of the trial balance ನೋಡ್ರಿ 46,000.
46, ma'am.
At what percent I have to provide?
4,600.
4,600.
4,600. Next, two
Interest on loan.
outstanding interest on
Outstanding interest on loan.
outstanding interest on loan. Okay, loan value you will find in the trial balance. Loan from bank at 8% interest. Yes or no? 1,90,000 into 8 divided by
24,000.
24,000, ma'am.
1,920.
24,000. So 24,000 into 8 divided by 100. For how many months it was outstanding? Yes,
1,920.
No, I'm asking for how many months it was outstanding? ಎಷ್ಟು outstanding ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರಿ ಅವರು
For 1 year. ma'am.
1 year. So if it is for 1 year, we should not do any 12 and all. Okay. So 3 months or 4 months ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ 6 divided by 12 ಹಂಗೆ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. It is outstanding for whole year. Yes or no? So ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ full outstanding ಇದೆ. So ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ outstanding ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ don't want to take any months. If it is outstanding for 6 months or 3 months or 4 months, ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 divided by 12 ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹಾಕೊಂತೀವಿ. Okay. So they have directly said it was outstanding for 1 year. So what is the amount?
1920.
1920. That's it. Any other items? ಮತ್ತೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಅದಾವೇನ್ರಿ? So total and tell me which side is more? ಯಾವ ಸೈಡ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅದ? 51. How much you got the net profit? How much is the net profit?
43,380. ma'am.
Two net profit. How much? 43,000. Is it clear? Is it clear to everyone? ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ clear ಆಯ್ತ್ರಿ? Is it clear? Completed everyone? ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ? Shall we prepare?
Yes, ma'am.
Balance sheet prepare ಮಾಡಿನ್ರಿ? If you completed this one, put the format of balance sheet. Complete again, 3.
Yes, ma'am.
My Zoom timing is extended.
Yes.
So always it is getting extended. ಎಷ್ಟು 40 ನಿಮಿಷದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 1.5 class ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಯೂಶುವಲಿ 30 minutes used to be a more. Okay, balance sheet ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ರು ಟೈಮ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ. Okay, shall we prepare the balance sheet, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, shall I erase this one? Erase
Yes, ma'am.
ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ? Shall I erase? Okay. Put the format of balance sheet. Balance sheet as on
For the year 31st.
as on 31st March 2012. As on 31st March or before the year ending another buried. Okay. So liability side, liabilities, amount, assets, amount. Okay. Hey, balance sheet ಅಲ್ಲಿ debit credit ಬರ್ತದ. You're not supposed to write that. Exactly. Balance sheet will not come. Trading P&L ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Here and all you will be taking the capital expenditure and the capital, assets, liabilities. Okay, so tell me, what is the first item on the liability side? Fata ahead. What is the first item? What is the first item, students? Liability side.
Capital, ma'am.
Okay, capital. Capital ಎಷ್ಟದರಿ? What is the capital value? Fata. 1 lakh?
1,90,000.
1,90,000. For this, what we have to add?
Minus.
What we have to add?
Net profit, ma'am.
Very good. What is
43,880.
43,380? What is the total? Total. Fata. But next class adari. Jaldi ಹೇಳಿ. 2,33,000. For this? 2,33,380. Okay. So for this we have to minus what we have
Drawings.
to minus here.
Drawings.
Very good. What is the drawings?
6,000, ma'am.
6,000. Where you find that one? L63. Consumed
Just
by
a minute, sir.
proprietor. Okay, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ ಇದು? ಎಷ್ಟು how much you get? Total ಇದನ್ನ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ closing capital? Consumed by
2,27,000.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ?
2,27,000.
2,27,380. Okay, 2,27,380. Next.
Next one.
Loan from bank.
Loan from bank. How much?
24,000.
Okay. Next.
Creditors.
Creditors. Next. ಅದನ್ನ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ?
ಸೇಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೇಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಲೋನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಔಟ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಲೋನ್ ಅದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಶೋ ದಿ ಸಪರೇಟ್. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ್ರಿ? ಸಪರೇಟ್ ತೋರಿಸೋಣ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ, ಲೋನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದ್ರಿ? ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ವಾಸ್ ದಿ ಲೋನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್?
24,000.
Loan from bank 24,000 plus add outstanding interest on loan. How much? Estimate
1,900.
1,900. Estimate
1,920, ma'am.
1,920. Total 25,920. Okay, next to take creditors. Estimate creditors
14,900.
14,000. Exact 14,000 or any balance? 14,900. That's it. Any other items on the liability side? ಏನು ಇಲ್ರಿ. Okay, then go for the asset side. Asset side ಏನೇನ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಷಿನರಿ ಅದನ್ನ land. Yes or no? Land ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು land ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ appreciation. You are not supposed to charge any depreciation on the land, but they have not provided any other information regarding to land. Yes, sir. 1,40,000. Next. ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ?
Tractor.
Tractor ಮೇಲೆ depreciation charge ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೇಳಾರಿ. Yes, sir. 46,000. For this you have to minus depreciation. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ depreciation? 4,000. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ?
42,400.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ? So land waste ಇರ್ತದೆ. 140 ಅಲ್ಲ land?
1,40,000.
Okay. Tractor ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 46,000. Depreciation?
4,600 total, 41,400.
41,400. Okay. Next. Cash. ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? What is the cash value, students? 14,000. Next. Closing stock. Yes, sir. Closing stock. ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ closing stock ಏನೇನದು? Cattle, paddy, ಮತ್ತೆ
Cattle, paddy, cattle feed, fertilizers.
cattle feed, fertilizers. ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ cattle ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು?
Cattle now 66,000.
6,000. Paddy 4,600 and 1,600.
600.
Total will be
72,800.
72,800. You have taken all the items now?
Yes.
Okay. Total do now. Total and tell me.
Land.
1,40,000.
2 lakh.
2,68,200.
Both the side. 2 lakh. Both the side got the same answer. 2,68,200. Is it clear, students? Understand I3? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Everyone have taken down? Ellaru tagondri? Everyone got the same answer? Ellargu same answer bandri? Everyone got the same answers, no? Okay. So one more information for you students. Okay.